Consideration is an essential element of a contract. It refers to something of value that is given by one party to another as part of an agreement or exchange. Consideration can take many forms, including money, goods, services, promises, or forbearance from a legal right. To form a valid and enforceable contract, there must be consideration from both parties. This means that both parties must receive something of value or agree to give up something of value in exchange for the other party's promise or performance. For example, if you hire a contractor to paint your house, the consideration from you would be the payment for the services rendered by the contractor. The consideration from the contractor would be the promise to paint your house according to the agreed upon terms. In summary, consideration is a critical component of a contract, and it refers to the exchange of something of value between the parties involved.